In the last video, we have completed our review of state management and we said that we want to introduce a new concept called streams. So before we can write any code, we need to do a bit of theory so that we can learn about streams. And a good way to explain what streams are is to make an analogy. So here we go. A stream is like a pipe which has two ends, and you can insert something into the pipe from one end, and then it flows inside the pipe and it comes out on the other end. So in Flutter, a pipe is called a stream, and to control the stream we normally use something called a stream controller. Now the entrance of the stream is called the stream sink. So every time we want to insert something into the stream, we can use the stream controller to add it to the stream sink. And the way out of the stream can be accessed with the stream property of the stream controller. Okay, so now that we have some idea of what a stream is, the next question is what kind of values can be carried over by a stream? And the answer is anything you want. So you could pass in simple values or events or objects or collections or maps, and you could also pass in errors as well. So just to be clear, a stream controller is normally used to control the input of the stream. So if you have some data that you want to insert into the stream, you can add it to the stream sink by using the sink property of the stream controller, and this will insert it into the stream. So once again, every time you want to add a new value or an error to the stream, you can use the stream controller sink property to add it to the stream. Alright, so the next question is, how do we know that some data is being carried over by the stream? And the answer to that is that you have to listen to the stream value of the stream controller. So to do that, you have to define a listener to the stream. And when you define a listener, you get a new object which is called a stream subscription. So the stream subscription is an object that tells us every time that a new value or error is pushed to the stream. Okay, so now that we have done a little bit of theory and we are familiar with some basic terminology around streams, we can start to see how some of these things work in practice, and we'll do that in the next video.